Never found one of these before, guys. Try to get you zoomed in. Focus. Federal cartridge. Never seen that before. Not sure the age of that, but that's got to be old. Not too old, because I don't think Federal's super old, but Federal cartridge. I wonder if that's a rare one. I'll look it up when I get home. Cheers. Not sure how well you'll be able to see this, guys. That's a mound right here. And it cuts up to a flat spot. So this right here is all flat until right there it goes back up. And it's a bowl that kind of goes around here. It's kind of hard to tell, but then you can see how that it comes down over the hill. Probably doesn't look right on the camera, can't tell you. But that's odd, a flat spot cut in the woods, so we will investigate further. Cheers. I'll piss them off royally. Yeah, that's right where my target is. Right where my target is. Ants attracted to copper and brass. Let's see what we got there. A bunch of angry ants. What the heck is it? That little freaking thing. Reminds me of one of them caps. What are they called? Percussion caps? Just found out, guys. The old pistol ball, or possibly that's lead shot, but I'm wondering if you can get a sense of how giant this tree is right here. It is humongous. That's a humongous tree. Well, you can see that this is a can, but inside it, I found these. There's another one here. There's another one here. And look, there's more inside the can. There's like keys inside the can. What in the world? This is really strange. It's like a can full of keys. What in the world? There's another key. Why? I was wondering why this was such a crazy signal. Now I know. It was bouncing all over the place. Okay, well there's the junk, the can. Oh, that's odd. Stuff you find in the woods, I'm telling you. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 keys out of there. Oh man. I'm pretty sure there's more around here. There's another one right there. Another key. What in the world? I'll have to check around here, guys, and see if there's any more. Oh my goodness. Just found this guy, guys. But I made 2 discoveries at the same time because I didn't see him until I walked up on this right here. How cool is that?